Hello, so today I would like to answer a question that I'm often asked, either in the exam room or out there in the world, and that's simply why do we have this epidemic of obesity in the West and in particular in the United States? And I think it really relates to several aspects of our lifestyle that have changed since the 70s and 80s, so since the last century. At that time, foods began to be engineered to be hyper palatable, really delicious, and hard to stop eating. High in sodium, high in saturated fat, high in sugar. Also, the advent of high fructose corn syrup in those days really started to put foods into our fast food restaurants and on the shelves, particularly in the middle of the grocery store, that are really hard to stop eating and can make it a problem in terms of out eating all the hormones that are meant to control your appetite. Another is that our lifestyles have become much more sedentary over the last several decades. People used to do more physical work, and now we're often tied to desk chairs and computers, and we're not getting up and moving, and it really makes a significant difference. Really foundational to everything we do with lifestyle management here in our office is sleep. Because not getting enough sleep or having sleep be interrupted increases your appetite and your cravings for the things that are not so healthy, and also increases your blood sugar. Stress does the same things, and of course, our busy society, despite technology making a lot of things possible, it really seems that our lives just become more and more stressful, and we're not able to take a break and to decompress. So I really think all of those changes in our society are what is responsible for this snowball. Last year, for the first time, the rates of obesity actually decreased, most likely because of the advent of GLP-1 receptor agonist and related medications. But hopefully it's also due to awareness of the problem and people becoming interested in clinics like ours where we can focus on lifestyle and use the medicines as needed. So if you'd like to learn more about how we might be able to help you, we're Northeast Medical Practice. I'm Dr. William Berger. We're an internal medicine, weight management, and aesthetics practice in a concierge style located in Great Neck, New York on Long Island. Our number 516-604-3418. The website, northeastmedicalpractice.com. You can find us on all of the social media outlets where you're probably watching this now, and you can also tune into my podcast, LongevityMD, on Spotify. So until we see each other next time, be in good health.